Welcome. In this guide, we're going to walk through step by step how to set dark mode in the X mobile app so it follows your device's settings. This is especially useful if you want the app to automatically switch between light and dark themes, just like the rest of your phone. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap it. This will open up a menu with your account options. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize how the app works and looks, as well as adjust privacy preferences. Now tap on Accessibility, Display and Language. This is where you'll find the visual settings for the app. Once you're inside, choose Display. Here is where you can adjust themes, text size, and of course, dark mode settings. In the dark mode section, tap on Dark Mode. You'll see a few options to choose from. To make the app follow your phone's system setting, select Use Device Settings. This means if your phone is set to dark mode, the X app will automatically match it. If your phone switches back to light mode, the app will too. No manual changes needed. That's it. You've now enabled dark mode to use your device's settings in the X app. This simple tweak keeps your apps look consistent with the rest of your phone, saves you time, and can even help reduce eye strain in low-light environments. If you like keeping your phone display in sync across apps, this setting is definitely the way to go. Now you can enjoy X in the theme that matches your device automatically, letting you focus on what matters, your content and conversations.